from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, Denver, Castle Rock, and Byers. High wind warning in effect from 11 a.m. Friday to midnight Mountain Daylight Time Friday night. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Denver, Castle Rock, Fort Morgan, Byers, Sterling, Julesburg, and Holyoke. When? From 11 a.m. Friday to midnight Mountain Daylight Time Friday night. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Strong winds will produce areas of blowing dust and poor visibility. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Avoid outdoor burning or any activity that may cause sparks. The strong winds will likely fuel rapid fire growth. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service.
Oh my god. I don't even know if I caught the warning sound on, cause yet again, I was panicking to hit record. Ah yes, the fun times. I kinda was expecting a high wind warning, but I didn't hear it because I turned my alerts off at the night, because I always do that to make sure I don't get woken up by something stupid like this, like a high wind watch, when it's not really that important. So yeah, we got a high wind warning. Fun.